Hello interviewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahad Shamul Jani. I'm a student of Daffodil International University, Department of Business Administration. My academic background, I completed my HSC from Cambrian School and College with GPA is 3.92 and SSC from Chandana High School and College with GPA is 3.56. Passion and interest. I'm passionate about app development, web development, graphics design and video editing. Technology excites me and I'm always love learning new in this side. Language. I'm fluent in both English and Bangla and I always communicate with clarity and confidence. Personal traits. People always describe me as optimistic, passionate, all organized. This quality helps me stay focused and to reach my goal. Experience. I also have real-world business experience. I have been actively in our family rice wholesale business called F&F Enterprise. Skills. Here are some of my key skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, video editing, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Gitter. Dream. My dream is to build an app where millions of people can work and earn money, making a positive impact on lives. I also want to humanity and help people and service, thought innovation and kindness. Recently, I have achieved a certificate Zero to Hero in Android Season 1 from online course. After completed Season 2, I'm doing an app project. It's called Gajipur City. I want to use money from this app to service people. I'm really excited and grateful to be a part of the One Student, One Laptop projected by Daffodil International University. This initiative will empower me to advance my skill in app development and contributes meaningful in this crucial field. Thank you for watching my video resume. I'm always open to opportunity to learn, grow and contribute. Let's connect and make something amazing together.